guys, so nandito na ako ngayon sa Clark International Airport. This is the domestic departure. So, ang ganda niya. Na dito na din kayo kumain kasi dun sa parang food court sa taas, konti lang din yung makakainan like Wendy's, Meat Depot, Catonings. Masyadong choices. So dito may Subway, may Coffee Bean, and then may Uncle John's. May mga rice meals naman din sa Uncle John's. Tapos may Jamaican patty, may citrus drinks, and then may Goldilocks. So mas madaming choices dito. So kung gusto nyo yung something light or sandwich, mas okay kung dito na kayo kumain. So I hope you guys like this video of Clark International Airport domestic area. If you found this video helpful or useful, please click like and subscribe. Thank you. Till next time.